We're going to go ahead and replace our passenger side rear taillight, located right here on the back passenger corner of the vehicle. The process is the same for the passenger side as it is the driver's side. Right here, there are two 8mm screws, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver in the center. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove these two. I'm going to grab that taillight. I'm going to gently wiggle it straight back. When we disconnect that there, we're actually popping out the little plastic studs right here that go into the body. We popped our taillight out of the body. You should have just that bare stud right there. This particular one popped out with our little plastic locking insert, so I'm just going to use a pry tool. Just gently work that off. Pop that off like that, and we're just going to pop that right back into the body, like that. Then we want to go ahead and disconnect our harness here. I'm going to pull this little retaining clip off of the bottom, pop that right out, just a little plastic clip. And our outlets and our bulbs here, we're going to go ahead and turn counterclockwise, pull and remove, and do this for all 4 bulbs. And then you can remove the taillight. And we can go ahead and install our bulbs. You're going to press those in. Once they pop in, clockwise until they snap into place. If you have to replace any bulbs, now's the perfect time to do it. Okay, they're all installed. Press your harness back on to the little tab on the back side here. Then we can go ahead and line this up. The bottom of the taillight is going to slip into this little notch right here, as well as our posts on the side are going to fit in to the little plastic buttons on the body. With that in place, let's go ahead and install our 2 screws. Going to start that one, get it caught. I'm not going to tighten it down until we get the other one in. Once both of those are caught, we're going to go ahead and snug those down. Now once those screws bottomed out, just a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten it because you can crack the plastic. Once it bottoms out, about a 1/4 turn, you should be good. At this point here, you want to go ahead and test your lights, make sure everything is operational, and then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.